That's our fiber wire that runs to our internet showing in our driveway. Baby sheep. Goats are somewhere in there. Probably on the other side of this stump. But everybody lasted the night and stayed in. So that's a good thing. And of course you hear crunching right here because Miss Cherry's out eating some of our grass that we had planted here. Huh, Cherry? It's a beautiful day today. It's almost 70 out and sun shining. There's a goat right there. That's Willow. See all the mud still. And then we got rain coming the next couple of days. Got everybody here basking in the sun. Well, especially Bessa, my old girl. Everybody else just sitting in there. And got Miss Jill and Jack over there. The boys are in their hut laying down. And the other 3 horses are over there. This is what happens when you forget to get eggs for 4 days. I had, I think, 4 that were broke. So, I don't know. It seems like all the ladies are up and going and definitely laying heavily. I gotta come down here. I forgot to shut the garage door. My husband got the skid steer moved in here, so it's not gonna be out in the weather. So as you can see, Dixie, come on out. Hopefully she was catching mice. But yep, there she is. Got her in there. He's got the forks on this pallet. That's got our Tribute Wholesome Blend on it. Then my milk stand got moved over there with my milking thing, and then my grain buckets are there. Had to move the stand over, but we got everything situated. So with that being said, there's only just probably 4 to 6 weeks, and then our barn will be up, and then all my stuff will be out of there and in the barn. So that would be nice when that happens. We've got rain coming definitely for the next 3 days, if not longer. The temperatures kind of drop. Today it was beautiful, a high of almost 70, which I think I said that prior. But I'm gonna walk up, and I thought I'd take you guys with me so I can finish this video and be done with. My husband is on his way home, which I think it was 6:15. So he worked, if you count his drive time, over 12 hours, because he leaves here at like 5:20. He gets up just a little before 5 o'clock, like 4:45 or something. Usually gets up, takes a shower, and then gets around. As he's leaving, he stops and he grains everybody in the morning. Of course, Hercules is making a lot of noises. Miss Meg is there, and Diamond. She's probably going to follow. Miss Meg. And then Diamond looking too. Right, girl? She says, yeah. We've got to get the pad put up. There's probably 2 trees that we're going to have to take down over in that area where I want the barn at. So those are going to have to come down. I want concrete for my floor, but I also want a drainage part in there for where my milk house is going to be. And I want water ran. So I don't know if we can actually get that done or not. And then I'm going to have to ask my mom's husband, Robert, if he can let me know what we're going to need so he can install the electric in the barn. I haven't yet asked, but I will. I figured I would ask when I was closer to knowing when the pad was done. Because as soon as the pad's done, I'm supposed to take a picture, send it to the company so then they can arrange to then be here. See, they're already here putting up some buildings in the area, or at least Michigan, because they're out of Ohio. But they, do Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. They do like that area. And so with that being said, we could have had it up earlier, but with us just getting the skid steer delivered on Thursday, almost look like a hummingbird, but they don't usually come this early. And then just having time to actually do the stuff that's needed to be done. The sun is bright. But yep. So I'm excited to, actually be able to have a barn for the goats and have my own milking space and whatnot. I'm thinking about possibly just doing a little area in there for my goat milk beauty products until we can get a shop put up. But where we were going to add a new driveway, that's changed. We're going to add a different area, so we've got quite a bit of work to do, so give the horses more pasture. And that's what my husband's trying to do, is just think of ways for the horses to have more pasture. With us picking up Captain on April 2nd. I think I said before in a previous video it was April 3rd, but it's really April 2nd because that's a Saturday at noon. And they are exactly an hour behind us because they're on Central Time, not Eastern Time. So we won't have to leave quite as early, but still early. Diamond! That girl, every time she sees me, she does that low whinny with the low high pitch. That right there. But let's switch it so you guys can see. I'm gonna cut right through here real quick. There's Mr. Tom Beaker right there, and there's Diamond doing her little, that whinny that she does. What? What is it, Diamond? No, I don't have no peppermints. Hercules, I don't have no peppermints, and I know you guys want some. I just don't have any right now. No, I don't. I'm sorry. Diamond, I'm sorry. Boy, it looks foggy. What's you doing, sweetheart? Of course, Meg's got to be up in everybody's business, huh? Maybe my, sorry, everybody. That's a little better, but not much. I love you. But, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the barn. I can take you guys up. I think I've already showed this once before, but I'll show it again for the few new subscribers we've got going on. So my husband's plans are for the new driveway, actually. See where that starts to curve right there? He wants the driveway actually to come. Let me get at the curve, and I'm going to show you. And of course, Jack's going to holler, because he's the big baby. So right as the driveway starts curving. So it will come. Got something biting my neck. Straight this way. So it's going to cut through the boys' pen, part of Jack's pen, come in between Cherry's pen there. All the horses are going to be moved up behind the house, so we're trying to get that area done up now. And then the horse pen, which the barn will be right in here for the horse barn. The goat barn is going to be right in here, this square, so 30 that way, 20 that way, 20 or 30, and then 20 back this way. Because it's got a, it was originally just a 20 by 20, but then I had a 10-foot lean-to put on it, so we could actually feed round bales again, free choice, to my girls. And they won't have to be in a shelter logic no more. They can just be inside the lean-to. So we've got a lot of work still to do, and we want to do a turnaround right up here. Man, something still feels like it's biting my neck, but I know there's not. I think it's just my hair pulling. There's the babies again. They're actually starting to get weaned, so they only have morning feedings now and no night feedings. So they're gonna have to deal with that. But yep, we're gonna do a big turnaround right here, as my husband would call it, a cul-de-sac, I think. And then my store I want to be put near that, probably in this area right here, instead of being up there where we had planned, because my husband wants to give all this and back up in there, all that for the horses to have with their barn there. So that'll give them a little more room. So with that being said, everybody, I just want to thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Oh, here comes my husband. Thank you for subscribing, all to you new subscribers. And we'll see everybody tomorrow. Till next time, stay safe and God bless.